Try plugging a plastic bottle into the socket right now, mate. You'll witness some crazy magic today. Don't want to waste a single second, so I'll explain it right away. Cut an empty plastic bottle like this with scissors, then stick it into a flour or sugar bag and secure it with a rubber band. Now, once it's done, just open the cap and pour out what you need bit by bit. Super convenient, isn't it? Of course, there are other ways, but this one's free, and it's even more convenient. Now, here's tip number 2. You know that the risk of a fire goes up when dust settles on your power strip, right? So, from now on, use those plastic bottle caps, mate. Oh my God, it fits perfectly, doesn't it? Give those discarded bottle caps a second life as safety caps. Of course, it makes removal of the cap easier too. Hey, nowadays they've designed power outlets with these diagonal holes to prevent electrical accidents. But man, it's so annoying, you know? Trying to plug something in when it's hidden behind stuff, or in a tight spot, or low to the ground. It's a real pain, isn't it? From now on, try using a name tag pen. If you mark dots on both sides that match the outlet holes, you can easily plug things in even if you can't see the holes. Wow, should I tell you why you should put a straw in the outlet this time? There are so many cables plugged in, it's confusing, right? Now, cut the straw and use it to identify which cable is which, and you can even use it as a name tag. Try using complicated cables easily from now on. Today, I made this for every precious minute of your time. If it was helpful, just hit the like button once. Bye-bye.